Ted's an artist and I'm a professional singer, but what we've also worked at for years, and I've worked at for about 20 years, is I've worked as a therapist. The Zoomas is a book that I'm writing for kids and teenagers, so that takes them to another dimension. We're all born with stuff that we're carrying, and you're not really ever really taught how to deal with your stuff. Whatever you believe, it doesn't matter what religion you are, we're all humans. How do you deal with that experience? So the Zoomas is like a suspended fantasy reality that we can take people into and share some of these messages and tools, basically. And that's also, if you're listening to the lyrics that we're creating, we've written it from that perspective of kind of wanting to share our journey. This is about his experience.
Painting a picture in a permanent frame with a really tight boundary, all because you never followed your dream. You were the writer, the director, producing an actor that you considered a feather. Airy fairy, you guys are so contrary, feelings and all that stuff get tough. Value growth.
No trap, no crack, no monkeys on my back. Get after hit when really you're the one that's
Get after it, really you're the one that's full.
You're going out to meet your friends. Enjoy it, because when you come back, it will be to hell.
responsibility for myself in relationship to my marriage, etc.
Good. Thank you.